Most people think debt is a temporary setback. But here's the hard truth. The wrong kind of debt ruins lives. It doesn't just slow you down, it locks you into poverty for decades. The average American owes over $96,000. Almost half can't make payments on time. This isn't an accident or bad luck. It's a system built to keep you trapped. Today, we expose the debt traps stealing your wealth. And we show you how to escape them. Chapter 1. The Credit Card Trap. Credit cards are sold as financial freedom. But in reality, they're shackles in disguise. Banks make billions from interest every single year. The average APR is now over 22%. That means your debt doubles every few years. Spend $1,000 and make only minimum payments. It could take over 5 years to clear, and you'll pay hundreds more in interest. Many people treat credit as free money, but it's actually future money you don't have. Case study: Maria's credit spiral. Maria used cards to cover emergencies. Soon, her balance hit $12,000. Her minimum payment was just $240 monthly. But interest swallowed $200 of that. After years of paying, the balance barely moved. Only when she froze her cards and switched to a snowball repayment plan did she finally escape after 6 long years. Chapter 2. The Payday Loan. Trap. Payday loans target desperate, struggling people. They promise quick cash until your next paycheck. But the interest rates are criminally high. Some charge 300% APR or more. Borrow $500 and owe $650 in weeks, and many borrowers roll over their loans. This creates an endless cycle of borrowing. By the end of the year, they've paid thousands for a small initial loan. Case study: Darren's payday nightmare. Darren took $400 for car repairs. He couldn't repay in 2 weeks. The loan rolled over 5 times. By the end, he'd paid $200 and still owed the original $400. The lender didn't mind, because interest is their real profit. Chapter 3. Buy Now, Pay Later Debt. BNPL services are the new silent killer. They split your payment into easy installments. It feels harmless until you have multiple plans, miss one payment, and fees pile up. It's debt dressed in a friendly package. The worst part? It's not always regulated. So companies can set aggressive collection terms. Case study: Jasmine's shopping trap. Jasmine used BNPL for clothes, gadgets, and furniture. At one point, she had 12 active plans. She missed 2 payments and faced penalties. Her credit score dropped by 80 points. The stress was worse than the debt itself. Chapter 4. Student loan shackles. Education is powerful, but student debt can strangle your future. The average graduate owes over $37,000. Many take 20+ years to pay it off. Interest can turn $30,000 into $60,000 easily. Some end up owing more than they borrowed. Student loans can delay buying a home, starting a family, or building investments. Case study: Kevin's delayed life. Kevin graduated with $45,000 in debt. He paid $400 monthly for 10 years. After all that time, he still owed $38,000. The interest kept growing faster than payments. He only escaped after refinancing and cutting expenses. Chapter 5. The Car Loan. Trap. Car dealerships push long-term financing plans. You end up paying thousands in interest. Many buyers roll old debt into new loans. This creates a snowball of negative equity, and your car loses value immediately. The worst? Miss a payment, they repossess it. Case study: Lila's never-ending loan. Lila traded cars every 3 years. Each time, unpaid debt was rolled forward. After 9 years, she still owed $18,000 on a car worth less than $8,000. Chapter 6. Mortgage misery. A home can be an asset, but the wrong mortgage is a trap. Adjustable rates can skyrocket after a few years. Refinancing often adds more years of debt. Miss payments and you risk foreclosure. Case study: Tom's foreclosure story. Tom bought a house with low intro rates. 3 years later, interest doubled overnight. His monthly payment jumped by $600. He fell behind and lost his home. Chapter 7: Medical Debt. Trap. Healthcare debt is a silent destroyer. One emergency can wipe out savings instantly. In the US, over 40% have medical debt. Hospitals send bills to collections quickly. This ruins credit and creates more stress. Case study: Amanda's $30,000 bill. Amanda had emergency surgery without insurance. She owed $30,000 she couldn't afford. Collectors called daily for payment. She had to declare bankruptcy to escape. Chapter 8: Personal loans and consolidation scams. Consolidating debt can help if done right. But shady companies prey on desperate borrowers. They charge huge fees and high interest. Sometimes they don't pay your creditors at all. Case study: Rick's debt help. Disaster. Rick joined a debt relief program. He paid $400 monthly for 2 years. Later, he learned his creditors got nothing. His credit score collapsed to 480. Chapter 9: The illusion of good debt. Some debts are called good, like mortgages, or business loans for growth. But they're only good if profitable. A rental property can turn bad fast if tenants leave or repairs pile up. Business loans can sink you if sales drop. Case study: Nina's failing business loan. Nina borrowed $80,000 to expand her cafe. A pandemic hit and customers vanished. She owed more than the business made. Her dream turned into financial disaster. Chapter 10: How to escape debt traps. Step 1: Stop adding more debt. Cut cards, avoid high-interest loans entirely. Step 2: List all debts from smallest to largest. Step 3: Pay off the smallest first. This builds momentum and motivation. Step 4: Negotiate with creditors. Many will lower interest if you ask. Step 5: Increase income with side hustles. Extra payments speed up your escape. Step 6: Build an emergency fund. This keeps you from falling back in. Chapter 11: The mindset shift. You need debt isn't just a financial problem, it's a psychological one too. Society normalizes living in debt forever. But freedom is worth the sacrifice now. Every payment toward debt is a step closer. Picture the day you owe nothing. That's when you truly own your life. Debt will own you unless you fight back now. Identify your traps and make a plan today. Break free and build wealth for your future. Your freedom starts the moment you decide.